Okay, slot fans, welcome back to Slot Cop, where you're going to see real wins, real losses, and real slot play. And if you like this kind of play, I need you to go down and smash the subscribe button. Okay, I need subscribers, okay? I'm going to start on this lightning link, high stakes, in for 300. Again, go down there and smash the like and subscribe buttons. Start out on 1 cent denom, and then we'll try to work our way up. 250 bets. Okay, nothing here so far. We'll go 2 cent denom. $2 bets. We'll readjust here because I don't like the way this is looking. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get it. $2 bets. There we go. I don't like this glare, but we're gonna roll with it. Come on, let me get a mini. Not great, but it's a start. bump it up. $3 bets. There we go. Nice. Those are good numbers. Minis 20. Okay. Let me get something big here. I like that 600. Oh, mini, nice. All right, keep filling it up. Come on. There we go. Come on, one more. Not killing. Okay, not bad on a $3 bet. So I'm up 70. Oh, that'd be nice. Majors 584. Minors 100. Alright, come on. Oh, major keeps coming up. I'm gonna roll a couple more spins on it. Need 3 of the golden chests for a bonus for free spins. Alright, nearly back to even. Let me go to 5-cent denom. And let's do some 250s. Ooh, close. Hey, is this 125? I think that's 125. Yeah, there we go. Now we're at 250. Oh, that's a nice one. $600. So that's yeah, I don't know. Do the math. up a little ago. This should be $5 spin. I don't know what's going on here. 125 times. Let me see. Okay. That's at $5. How y'all doing? Hoping for a quick hit here on $5, but hey, if y'all want, check out my channel. It's called Slot Cop on YouTube. Yeah, Slot Cop.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's 2 words. 2 weeks, and I've almost got 10,000 views. So it's
Really?
yeah, it's taken off. So yep. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I never thought it would do this well, but I mean, it just for some reason started taking off last week. And
So, like, they haven't messed with you? Did you have them the camera?
no, I got permission from them and everything. So
really?
yeah, you just go to the desk and they give you permission, and then as long as you're not encroaching on anybody's space, and you can't film faces or anything like that. As long as I just stay here on the machine, then I'm good. So
Oh, nice.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much. Slot Cop. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, just subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscriber base up right now. So no, it's on YouTube. I'm branching out to TikTok, but I don't know TikTok very well, so I'm having a hard time with it.
I
But
hear you.
yeah, I appreciate it. Okay, 5s aren't working, so I'm gonna go back down to 2-cent denom. And let's go $3 bets again. That seem to be pretty good.
Is that you right there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try to get a video in a week. Easier said than done.
Yeah.
I'm busy, so
So how often do you come to the casino then? Is it every day?
no, I can't do it every day. It's just impossible, you know. So
Is this the only casino you go to?
I've been to others, but some of them they don't really like you recording. So everybody has different rules and everything.
Here.
Yeah, it is. But I want to respect the rules and everything, so I just got to find the casinos that don't mind me recording. Yeah, thank you. Yep. Okay, not much happening here, so let's go back down. 1 cent denom, and we'll do 250 bets. Man, those are good numbers right there. I like those.
Have you gone to Border yet? Border, you know?
The border. Oh, down by the gas station? Yeah, I have. I just haven't recorded there. Yeah, I've been there. You like it? Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Well, you know what? That's a damn lie. We have luck everywhere.
Yeah,
You know, it's just like when we're salty here,
Right.
we're good on there.
Right. Yeah, no, I really haven't been having too much luck anywhere. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. I hit a lot of bonuses, but they never pay me anything.
They never pay.
So,
like $3 or something.
you're right. Yeah. Yeah, like in one of my videos, I get a bonus for, I think I hit on $12.50, a $12.50 bet.
Yeah.
You would think you're gonna win something. I won like $30,
Yeah.
and you could hear me in the video. I was like, "That's dog crap." I was like,
Me and my buddy, last year, my birthday, I don't know if you ever do it, but you buy a feature.
"Yeah, the buy feature."
We did that for an hour straight.
Did you win anything?
No.
Okay.
Well, you know, they did win, but they kept raising their bet.
Yeah.
We bet, no bullshit, $210 a feature 5 times.
Wow.
And
That's a lot.
but we did it for an hour straight.
Yeah.
It was fun.
But it kept
as
you
hell.
playing though?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's pretty fun.
It was fun. Yeah, we lost our ass, but you know what? We didn't care. We had $50 each invested into it.
Right.
And then we were just basically playing with their money. So
Right. Yeah, that's what I like when you come here, you hit right off, and then you're playing on house money.
Yeah.
You can get a little riskier.
Yes. Don't hurt your feelings so bad.
Yeah, but most of the time I come, I'm already down for the night. But that's the good thing about my channel is it's just real slot play. I'm not just showing the bonuses or whatever. I'm just showing you.
What it really does.
Yeah, I'm just showing you. So if I lose, I lose. But
That's cool.
yeah.
That is really, really cool.
Now you get like people they suggest, hey, try this bet or try that bet or whatever.
I do. I'm getting better at it. Like I said, I'm only 2 weeks in, and I'm still trying to figure everything out.
Right.
Everybody's saying, "Oh, you gotta tell them to subscribe in the beginning of your videos," and I'm like, yeah, but that's not me. You know what I mean? So I'm trying it, but
Well, you know, like I just subscribed. So,
yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Like I said, my views are way up there, and my the click rate whenever they see, because they're exposed to my thumbnails, right? And so my click rate is real high. Whenever they see my thumbnails, they click on it. I'm just not getting the subscriber base that I want right now, so I got to figure it out. Yeah, I'm 2 weeks in, so
that's awesome.
Yeah.
And talking like this.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right.
That's cool. Well, congratulations. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Good luck to y'all.
Watching.
Yeah, good luck to y'all. Okay guys, I just got a couple more subscribers. The people here are freaking awesome. So, I mean, just about everybody I meet here is real nice. And, to be honest, that's what it's about. Just having a good time. I would like to win some money though, so if you could give me a bonus right now, that'd be great. Okay, let's back it down. I'm getting kind of low here. $1.50 bets. Let's see if we can get something to hit here. I mean, the line hits have seemed pretty good. I'm getting the wilds on reels 2 and 3, which is really good, but I need some bonuses. See, like that, 5 of a kind. I mean, that's really good. Okay, close. Come on, hit. Some really high numbers coming out on the balls. Well, the chips. Let's go back to 2-cent denom, $2 bets. See, there's those wilds again. Seems like it wants to hit a bonus, but man, that's a big numbers. There it is. Okay. Okay, I'm just on a $2 bet, but let's get a bonus and a bonus, and you know, maybe to bring me up. If I could come up a couple hundred, that would be nice. All right, let's get it. Yeah, that wasn't that great. So what did we get? 23 bucks. Yeah, it's not that great, but keep me playing a little bit. 5 of a kind. Let's go $3. $3 bets. You know what? Let me just go 5. I've got a ticket here for 87. I'm putting 87 more in. So we're in 387. Oh, come on. That's pretty good. Yeah, kind of feeling like this $5 bet is gonna hit, but you know how that is. I mean, completely random, but. Oh, close. There it is. Come on. Oh. Okay, that's it. Last one. Let's see if we can win it. No, I took a loss. Near $400 loss on this machine. But like I said, this is real slot play. I'm not just showing you the bonuses. So if you like this kind of content, go down and smash the subscribe button. I need subscribers. And thank you guys. Have a good night. Slot Cop out.